ASS Opti M single purging system by Holzer ASS is designed for purging pipework with small diameters. It is suitable for internal pipe diameters ranging from 43 to 97 millimeters, effectively bridging the gap between simple pipe plugs and larger system solutions. A key feature of the ASS Opti M single system is its bonded overall construction. Unlike modular kit systems, the individual components do not need to be assembled or adjusted before each use. Most components are permanently connected, significantly reducing the time required for setup. At the same time, the design allows for quick replacement of the sealing lips without dismantling the entire system. The Opti M single system works similarly to a pipe plug and is used to securely seal pipe ends. However, the single version also offers a simple solution for one-sided purging. It is also intended for applications where only one side of the pipe needs to be sealed. During purging, the gas flows into the purging chamber at increased pressure to displace residual oxygen and any remaining moisture and exits on the opposite side. Sintered metal inserts ensure that the gas flow is slowed down and evenly distributed. Triple lip sealing discs ensure a secure hold within the pipe. These sealing lips not only provide reliable sealing, but also offer high stability, even in pipe bends or complex pipe routes.